Think your production environment is safe behind a fortress of firewalls? Think again. The biggest threat might be your safe development sandbox. A breach in production triggers alarms instantly, but a breach in dev? It's a silent ticking time bomb. It can take months to detect because nobody is watching the back door. In this case study, we'll analyze how attackers exploited a weak development system to pivot directly into a critical production database. We'll cover 3 key things: why staging is a soft target, how credentials leak across boundaries, and what true isolation really looks like. First, why are dev and staging environments such soft targets? Often, they lack the rigorous monitoring tools we put on production. Security teams assume these environments hold fake data, so alerts are silenced and patches are delayed. Attackers know this. And it's not just the official staging servers. It's the forgotten cloud instances spun up for a hackathon and never spun down. Shadow IT in development is a massive attack surface. Developers often use weak, convenient passwords like admin123 in staging, assuming it doesn't matter. But that's the foot in the door. Once they are in, how do they jump to production? It's all about credentials crossing boundaries. We frequently find production API keys or database strings hard-coded into scripts that were merely tested in the dev environment. Even worse are shared SSH keys. If a developer uses the same private key for both servers, compromising the dev box grants instant root access to production. It is often a culture problem. Developers prioritize speed. Security is seen as friction, so they build bridges between environments to move fast, unaware they are building bridges for attackers too. This allows for lateral movement. The attacker doesn't need to break the production firewall. They just walk through the open internal tunnel. So, what does environment isolation actually mean? It is not just a naming convention. True isolation requires network segmentation. Your dev environment should not have a direct route to talk to your production database. It means separate authentication, different passwords, different keys, and ideally, entirely different identity providers. Beyond static network rules, consider zero trust principles. Just-in-time access means no standing privileges. Developers request access only when they need it, and it expires automatically. And finally, data sanitization. Never use a copy of real customer data in staging. If a breach happens, there should be nothing of value to steal. Review your architecture today. Audit your dev keys. Ensure your staging environment isn't the path of least resistance into your kingdom. Stay safe.